How QA testers use AI to succeed in job interviews. Most QA testers walk into an interview hoping they've prepared enough. They've looked at a list of common questions online, maybe practiced a few answers in their head, and then the interviewer asks something unexpected and the whole thing falls apart. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to predict the exact questions your interviewer will ask. Practice your answers before you walk in and get feedback that actually improves them. This is how you stop hoping and start knowing you're ready. AI helps you with your QA interview in 3 specific ways. 1. Question prediction. You give AI the job description, and it tells you the most likely questions they'll ask. Not generic ones. Questions based on that specific role. 2. Answer coaching. You give AI your answer, and it tells you exactly what's strong, what's missing, and how to improve it using the STAR method. 3. Mock interview. AI plays the interviewer. You answer, it responds, pushes back, and gives you feedback at the end, just like the real thing, but you can repeat it until you're confident. Let me show you all 3. Start before you even think about your answers. Paste the job description into Claude or ChatGPT and use this prompt. Here is a job description for a QA engineer role. Based on this JD, give me the 10 most likely interview questions they will ask. Split into 3 categories: technical QA skills, behavioral questions, and situational questions. For each question, explain why they are likely to ask it. This does 2 things. It gives you a targeted question list, not generic QA questions, but ones based on what this specific employer cares about. And the explanations tell you what the interviewer is really looking for behind each question. Now you know exactly what to prepare. Before we get to answer coaching, let me explain STAR, because this is the framework every strong interview answer uses. Situation. Set the scene briefly. What was the context? Task. What was your responsibility in that situation? Action. What did you specifically do? This is the most important part. Result. What happened because of your action? Numbers are gold here. Most QA testers give answers that are heavy on situation and light on action and result. That's the mistake AI will help you fix. A weak answer sounds like, "We had a bug that caused problems in production." A strong STAR answer sounds like, "During a sprint release, a P1 defect slipped through regression. I identified the root cause within 2 hours, implemented a new test coverage rule, and we had 0 P1 escapes in the following 3 sprints." Same story. Now, take a question from your list and write your best answer. Then paste it into AI with this prompt. I am preparing for a QA engineer interview. Here is my answer to the question. Score my answer out of 10 using the STAR method. Tell me what is strong, what is missing, and give me an improved version. Watch what comes back. AI will tell you exactly where you dropped the ball, usually the results section, and then show you what a stronger version looks like. Do this for every question on your list. Each one will be sharper than the last. And here's the real power. Once AI gives you the improved version, ask it. Now make this answer more specific to the QA engineer role at company name. It will tailor the language to match what that company values. That's the difference between a good answer and a memorable one. Now, put it all together with a mock interview. Use this prompt. You are a hiring manager interviewing a candidate for a QA engineer role at a software company. Ask me 1 interview question at a time. After I answer, give me brief feedback. What was strong? What was missing? Then ask the next question. Start now. This forces you to answer under pressure, the same way you will in the real interview. You cannot just think the answer. You have to write it out fully, which is exactly how your brain will need to work in the room. Run through the full mock at least twice before your interview. The second time will be noticeably better than the first. Let me show you what the difference looks like. Same question. Tell me about a time you found a critical bug. Before AI coaching, I found a bug once that was really serious. It was in the payment module and could have caused data loss. I reported it immediately and the developers fixed it. After AI coaching, during regression testing on our payment module, I identified a data truncation defect that would have corrupted transaction records for any amount over 5 digits. I escalated it as P1. documented the full reproduction steps, and worked with the dev team to verify the fix within 24 hours. The release was delayed by 1 day, but we had 0 production incidents as a result. Same experience. One gets a nod, the other gets the job. Here is your prep plan for your next QA interview. Step 1. Paste the JD and get your predicted question list. Step 2. Write your answers and run each one through AI for coaching. Step 3. Do a full mock interview the day before. All 3 prompts are free in the description below. Use them before your next interview. Drop a comment with the QA interview question you find hardest, and I will give you a star framework for it in the comments. Next video, how to use AI to optimize your LinkedIn profile.